Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson. And in this particular lesson, we've got this question that is falling under organic chemistry. So I want to teach you how you get to answer questions that do come in an exam under this part. The first question here that we are given is propene. This is the formula there. Reacts with steam to give a major product, propene 2O. So this is what you are given. The first question is saying, state the essential condition in this reaction. What are certain conditions that are very essential so that this process can happen, so that we get to have a major product to be formed? This is the major product. The conditions that you are supposed to know and understand is that the first one, you must have a what? A temperature. There must be a temperature. Temperature of what? So we must have a temperature of about 300 degrees Celsius. The second condition that should be there is the presence of a catalyst. So we must have a what? A catalyst. A catalyst should be there. And lastly, the other thing that we must have the pressure. Have you seen? You must have also the pressure. Pressure of about 70. This is what you need to know and understand. 70 atmosphere. These are the conditions that are necessary for this type of reaction to take place. So we've got temperature, we must have a catalyst, and the pressure of about 70. After that now, we'll go to this next question that is saying, state the kind of reaction that occurs between propene and steam. So this propene that we are talking about is an alkene. It is just the same as they are telling you to state the kind of a reaction that occurs between steam and any alkene. So that process is called hydration. We are calling that process what? Hydration. What are we doing? Because we want to add steam to a compound, which is an alkene. This is what we are doing. So the type of a reaction is called hydration reaction. This is what you need to know and understand. So any reaction that will exist between any alkene and steam, you know that when an alkene reacts with steam, we get to produce an alcohol. So that process is called hydration, not oxidation. Oxidation is when it reacts with atmospheric oxygen, but in this process, we've got an alkene that is reacting with the steam. So the name of that process, or the name of that equation, is called hydration equation or reaction. This is what you need to understand. We now move on to this other question that is here, that is saying, however. So I guess you are able to see this question. If you are new to this platform, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me. We've got this question that is saying, however, there is also a minor byproduct formed. Have you seen? There is a minor byproduct formed. The question is, how come we've got a major and a minor? You need to understand that the first one that is formed, this is propene 2O, meaning that this one is the primary product formed, or the major product that is formed. But a minor one will be called, so like this one we are told to give a name, give a full structural formula and name of this product. So the name of that product will be called propene 1O. This is what you need to, this is the minor product that is going to be formed. So this can be formed through a less favorable pathway where the hydroxyl group attaches to the terminal carbon atom. So this product is generally in smaller amount compared to the isopropanol. So the isopropanol is this one. This one is also called the isopropanol. It is also called the what? Isopropane. Why is it called the isopropane? Because it is containing it is the major product that is formed. But this one is the minor product what? Minor product formed. This is the reason why we get to call this as, we get to call it as N-propano. Have you seen? We say N what? N-propano. So you can put one propano here, it is still the same. You can say, okay, you can put one like this, then you write propano. It is just one and the same. So don't be confused. You can write it this way. You can also write it this other way. This is what I want you people to know and understand. Let us now write now the structural formula. The structural formula. So which structural formula are we going to consider? Since it is just a normal propano, we know that propano has got 3 carbon chains like this. There are only 3 like this. This is propano, meaning that this is an alcohol. So an alcohol gets to produce an hydroxyl like this. Then we surround every carbon with hydrogen like this. This is what we are doing like this. Even here like this, like this, like this. This is what you need to know and understand. So what is this? This is the structural formula for propano. Have you seen the way it is like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got how many carbons? 3 like this. So I'll say C3. This is what I'm doing. C3H7OH. So this is what we are calling propyl-1O. So this is what you need to know and understand. We move now to the next question that is here. The next question is saying that why, how is the major product separated from the minor product? You can only separate this by using what? Distillation. This is what you need to understand. Distillation, I think it is like this one L. Distillation. By using what? Distillation. This is what you need to know and understand. So the process, we get to use this separation technique that is called distillation. We are going to use distillation methods to separate a major product from the minor product. These are certain things you need to know and understand. So for those of you that would like to join me, this is your tutor and your friend Harrison J. Zulu. You can WhatsApp me. Only people that want to join. People get to WhatsApp me with questions. But this number is only, you get to reach me if you want to join. So you contact me on this number. If you want to join us, get to offer a variety of subjects: mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, English, language. We get to offer those subjects. So for those of you that could like to join us, this is the number 0971 066747. This is my number. You can get in touch with me on this same number. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like and follow me.